clear cache on Chrome browser, first make sure you open your Chrome browser. On the top right corner, continue to click on these 3 dots. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Make sure to scroll down until you locate settings and click on it. Then continue to click on history. Allow it a bit of moment to finish pulling out all the data history. Then on this interface, you have the option to manually delete each and every cache that is recorded here, or you can just tap on myactivity.google.com and allow it a bit of moment to be redirected to this interface. So this interface gives you a pool of flexibility that you can utilize. So when you scroll down a bit, you could see the filter by date and product. Then here we have the option to click on this drop-up menu, and then we will be able to delete our cache, whether last hour, last day, always, or a custom range. So if for instance you want to delete for only this month or 2 months ago, you can just click on this custom range and then select the time range that best suits you. After that, you then continue to click on next, and it will automatically delete all the cache and browsing data history. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.